Good morning, everybody. I'm Angelos Barboudis from the Digital Worlds Institute at the University of Florida. This particular project is in collaboration with the Department of Classics at the University of Florida. As in many digital humanities projects, we assist in digitizing collections, but the difference in this particular project is that we digitize in 3D. So the collection is a collection of three-dimensional objects, in this particular case, epigraphical object inscriptions. These images here are not artwork, are actual results of our particular algorithm, which is illustrated in this data flow. It has some pre-processing steps for digitizing in a cost-effective way using a regular office scanner. So the method works using paper squeezes, papers which are squeezed onto the surface of an inscription, and then there are many post-processing steps which assist the archaeologists and the classicists to segment letters, find specific characteristics, and come to their conclusions, which in general is a process that usually takes months, but in this particular, using our particular tool, it takes just seconds. This particular, if you want to read more about that, we have a publication, a recent publication, where we present step by step this method. In this particular project, we plan to build an online tool for the users, the scholars worldwide, where they could upload their scanned squeezes and perform this 3D digitization, with options to share their work in a public library or not. And also there is a search tool for that works in a similar fashion like in Wikipedia, where everybody can edit, add content, and share with the rest of the scholars. Thank you.